Well, that name says it all. Cobra fans. It all started with the AC Bristol, an English body, and a Ford tuner, Carroll Shelby, places a hot American V8 in the AC Bristol, and thus was born the Cobra. Look at this one. It's very nice. Still has the small block in it, which is what the original ones were. And then they went to the 427 side oilers, etc. You know, in the world full of kit cars like this, it's all good because, you know, you're talking fun factor 10 out of 10 with a small lightweight body and a hot engine. And there's Mr. Shelby's signature. Very nice. Look at those side pipes, the bulging fenders. Just a beautiful design. I mean, incredible design. It's got the 65 Florida plates on there, so I'm assuming this is the year of the car. Check out that steering wheel right up against the dash. Pretty cool. Big transmission tunnel. Beautifully done. Definitely a Shelby American car. You know that's a fun little ride. Gauze Garage, Englewood, Florida Cars and Coffee. Thank you.